So on my last run that I did over the Father's Day weekend in June, it's now end of July, almost August, I noticed the ride got significantly worse as I was coming back. And it was this whole entire part right here. This is the cab leveling valve. And this arm here would wiggle back and forth and it would lose air. And this supplies the air to the airbags here. So I had to, before I left out from California, I had to run down to the Freightliner dealer in Hesperia, and they had one in stock, so I picked it up. It was $150. So even though I'm trying to sell the truck, I'm not going to sell it with knowing that it needs something. So, but yeah, that was easy to put in though. I just connected 3 airlines and whatnot. So, but it rides like a dream again. So, one tiny little component can just throw everything off. So, very interesting.